All right, everybody, welcome back. Here we're going to go over step 1 of what we should do for this lab. So we have already created our resource group. So now what we're going to go ahead and do is create our virtual machines. So we'll go here, we'll add it to the resource group already created. And we've got to make 2 virtual machines for this lab, guys, so keep that in mind. So make sure WS3, Windows 2022. Let's go lab user. Yeah, and just make a password you guys will remember. Awesome. Also, always double check, your networking, just because you never know. Most of the times you'll be okay though. Let's go ahead and review and create. Perfect. So after we create this, we're gonna go ahead and create our next virtual machine. So after creating DC1, we're gonna go ahead and create client 1. Client 1 is going to rely on Windows 10 as opposed to DC1 that is going to rely on Windows 2022. So a little bit of a difference for everyone who hasn't quite caught on yet, because I know I did mention that a little earlier. And yeah, just go ahead, lab user once again, and whatever password you want. Just make sure you guys keep track of which virtual account is which. So as you guys just saw, we're gonna go ahead and click on the NIC. I'm gonna open this up. I'm gonna give it a second as it opens. And then go ahead, click on IP configs. Once that pops up, our goal is to change, from where it says dynamic to static. We want to set it up as static so everything can go into this computer and the IP never changes. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Just click static, and go ahead and save it. So our last step is just ensure that the VMs are in the same VNet, guys. And that's what we're gonna do. So let's click on virtual machines, see the ones we've made. We're gonna open them up. And while we wait for this, oh, there it is. I was going to say, guys, while we wait for this, there's also other ways you can, make sure that the virtual machines are working. We just kind of skipped over it, but it says running. So if it says running, it means it's up. But as you guys can see on my screen, I'm having a little bit of issues. But what is important right now is that we're looking at the virtual network. It looks like they're both on the same VNet, and we are good to go to step 2.